Hello and welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera GO. I'm very excited to show you some great features and opportunities I've found and of course help you get inspired to start booking your next trip wherever and whenever that may be. Let's be honest, we all can't wait to get out and about. Now if you're ready to zip up your suitcase and head out the door sooner than later, let's see what's available on Smart Stays. So we're going to shoot down on your 6 days to travel, go straight to Smart Stays. I've already pulled it up for you. I'm already ahead of the game. So let's have a look. Look at what we have here. So if you're going to come here towards the end of January, look, I got a 3-bedroom villa at Portugal. Let's walk to the beach for $207.40 or $1,037. And I scroll down here because these are all different dates available. Now the closer you come to it, the cheaper it is. But there's a 3-bedroom for $640 or 3,200 points, but that is Valentine's week, which is a little holiday week, but that's a great time to bring your loved one. So this is what I was showing you down here, and look at this 2-bedroom on Valentine's week, $384.60, 1923. So there's all these weeks available. 1 bedroom, so you can bring your dog for $414. That's less than $100 a night. Can't beat these. And this is, remember, this is all within 45 days, and it's cheaper the closer you come to it, just like this one to show you here. Some of the best times to come to Hilton Head, as I think, is January, February, March. You're not fighting the crowds. It's great weather here, great for golf, great for activities. The beaches are busy, great for walks and riding bikes on the beach. But also what goes on here in January, February, March is all the restaurants. We have restaurant week in February, which is all the restaurants put together special menus, and there's lots of restaurants and that participate in it, which is great. But also there's things going on for the whole month of January, February, and March with the restaurants. So one of the big ones that they do is Savor in Sea Pines. You can buy your tickets. It includes the gate fee. There's all these different restaurants and chefs coming down to do different foods. It's all the social distancing and masks all apply, but it's all by appointment. It's all by tickets, and it's a great time. And that runs for the whole month of February. So the moral of the story, if you love great low country cooking, you won't want to miss out the chance to visit Hilton Head in January, February, and March. Now, if you're feeling a little more adventurous and you want to hit some warm weather, let's go and have a look through RCI. Maybe go away somewhere for Valentine's Day, somewhere special. So here you want to click on your RCI portal on your 6 ways to travel. And then once you've gone through to RCI, you want to go over to 0 to 1,000 points. Always look there first because there's always the best deals, bang for your buck, right here. And I've looked through there. So they've pulled up, there's over 14,396 available weeks at 1,325 different resorts all over the place, which I think is just amazing. Now, I actually pulled up Mexico. Let's go down to Mexico. I know it's in the 80s in February for Valentine's Day, and there's 6,148 available weeks. And I found this amazing resort right in Cancun on the beach right there. It's an all-inclusive. You don't have to go all-inclusive, but if you want to be lazy and you want to really just have a nice relaxing moment, let's make it simple. There's only 900 points for the whole week in Mexico for Valentine's week. And now while you're there though, you might want to be a little more adventurous to see what activities you go to. Now on your Palmera dashboard, this is where you want to go to Quest. And I pulled it up for you right here and see what we want to do while we're in Cancun. And these are all the activities you can actually organize when you're going. So if you were going to go to Tulum, go and look at the ruins, you're going to be clicking on here and you can actually start organizing your tickets. And when you go to check out, it'll show you all your savings. Well, there you have it. I hope I was able to inspire you to plan your next vacation, whenever that might be, whether it's coming back to Hilton Head or going somewhere different through the RCI. Just remember to be safe, protect yourself and others while traveling by following all of the local guidelines. And I hope you all have a great day. Until next time.